Hi, we've got the Ooni Pro here ready to go, and I'm going to show you how to use it with charcoal and or wood kindling. I've got a tray of wood kindling and charcoal here, and my first recommendation is, even if you're using charcoal, is to start it off with a little bit of kindling on the bottom. So let's get going. A few bits of wood. And always when you're interacting with the oven, especially when it's hot, you want to use one of the supplied gloves. Let's get some wood in, like this. And now you could light this with just your barbecue lighting fluid, though make sure you use petroleum-free, kind of odorless lighters. I'm a big fan of using just a gas blowtorch for lighting. And now we've got a fire going, and I'm just going to close the lid. So now we've got the chimney at the front drawing air into the oven from the back and getting the smoke up the chimney. Now give it a few minutes here and then check that the fire's taken on. So now I've had the Ooni Pro running for about 10 minutes here, getting warmed up with just the kindling, and we're going to add some charcoal on top of those that wood. So when you're opening the back hatch, always just remember to use gloves and be careful, because there is a fire in there. You open this up and add some coal on top of that. Now you can run this with just coal, or you can run it with just wood. My preference is always to run it with both, because what you can do with the coal is you can get a nice steady temperature, base temperature, to about 300-350 degrees Celsius, or about 750-800 Fahrenheit. And then when you put wood on top of that, then you get like a nice kick of heat from that. We've got a nice bit of coal in there, and close the hatch again and wait for that charcoal to catch fire and get going. So that's been about 20 minutes now, and we've got the Ooni Pro at about 400 degrees Celsius, or about 750 Fahrenheit, and we're going to do a bit of cooking with it. So first of all, I'm going to get one of our sizzler pans into the oven. So get this sizzler pan in there to sort of preheat for the steaks, and then at the same time we're going to put some vegetables and get them roasting in there like that. So now in that 20 minutes we've got the temperature up to about 400 degrees here. Because I'm running it on coal, I'm getting a nice sort of base heat from it. It's a very steady dry heat. But if I want to make a pizza now, I'd go to the back and open the hatch and get just a couple of little pieces of wood to give it a really good boost of heat, and would then get up to like 500 plus centigrade or 900 odd Fahrenheit. All right, we've had it heating up for a few minutes now, so let's see what we got. I'm gonna pull out our sizzler pan, some oil on it, and then we'll go for a steak. Steak straight on and back inside there to cook. I'll give it about a minute on each side. All right, I think we're done. So put our door aside. We've got our steak. Nice color on that one there, and also got our roasted vegetables ready for the table. We're of course very excited about the Ooni Pro shipping out. It is really versatile because you can do everything from pizzas to steaks to large pieces of meat and vegetables.